Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Afaq and today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a PUBG logo like this in Pixel Lab. So watch full video, and if you like our video then hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel to get notified from our brand new videos. So let's start. So welcome back. So first of all, open Pixel Lab and cancel and change the background color to black. Click on the squares and click on color and change the color to black. Tap on the tick icon. Now we have to change the text, so click on the left corner pencil icon. Now again and remove, type PUBG. Okay, now resize it and change the color of the text. My fonts, you can download the font from the given link which is given in the description. This font and resize it. Get it on the middle. Okay, now lock it. Now take a shape, square shape, lower its opacity, and resize it like that. Okay, now change the color of the square shape to black and stroke filled. The stroke color is white, and again opacity is 100. Tick. Now click on this and get it to back. Okay, now resize it and also lock it. Now again take a shape and turn its opacity to low and resize it like that. Now fill the opacity and get in the middle. Okay, now click on this and take it a copy of this. Take it on the middle and okay, now click here and merge that both. Now click on that and go to back, so you can see that there's the PUBG logo. Now merge. Okay, take it to the top a little and take a text, get in here and edit it. Type mobile, BILE. Click on the TT option and yeah, change the size and then change the font to that recent PUBG font. Now swipe it and this option, click on this option, spacing, left right, spacing. You can do that like this. Okay, now take it to the middle and got it. Now merge it click OK, and you can get your PUBG logo. So here's a trick. If you like our video, then hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.